What's up, guys? It's time for another Sudoku video, and yeah, I'm gonna do medium difficulty this time.
The dream was to build a sustainable chocolate company.
And with Chase for Business, it's become way bigger than just chocolate.
Get financial guidance from bankers in your community and convenient digital tools all in one place. Chase for Business. Make more of what's yours.
Okay, great. So yeah, I'm gonna do medium difficulty this time, but this time I'm gonna try not to utilize this hint feature. As you can see, there's 3 hints that you can use, and after that you have to like watch an ad for every subsequent hint. But yeah, no hints. And so let's see. Okay, so we know that this one has to be 7. Because this row can't have a 7 because there's already 7 here. This row can't have a 7, and this is the only empty spot in this column. So yeah. Likewise, this is a 7. And yeah, okay, so this is a 7 because these 2 rows already have 7s. So yeah. And let's see if we can find out where the 7 goes for each of these. So I'm going to choose this one first because it has less empty spots. So there's 2 7s here. So these 2 columns can't have 7s. So that means there's a 7 here. And then these 2 rows can't have 7s, and neither can these 2 columns. So there's a 7 here. And yeah, so there's all 9 7s are placed down. So I don't have to worry about 7 anymore. Uh, okay, let's see what other numbers I can use. The number 1 has to be either here or here. Well, actually, we can do number 5. So 5 is in this row and it's in this row, so it has to be here. And likewise, the 5 has to be here because it's in this column, and this row, and this row. So yeah, this is the only spot where it can be. And now I have 8 5s placed down. And the 9th one has to be here because this column has a 5, this column has a 5, this row has a 5, this row has a 5. Okay, so far so good. Let's see what other numbers we can take advantage of. And okay, so we know that this one has to be 3 because this row already has a 3, and so does this one. And this row only has 1 slot left, which is this. Okay. And let's see if we can finish up this row here. So this has to be either a 2 or a 4. So this, if this one's 2, this is 4. If this is 4, this is 2. And yeah, I don't think we have enough information to complete this. And for this row, one of these is a 6, the other's a 9. And this one's a 6 because this box already has a 9. And likewise, this one already has a 6. So this is a 9. And we can also finish this box because it's missing a 2. And let's see if we can finish this row. So we need a 6 and a 1. This one can't be 6 because there's already a 6 here, so this has to be 1, which means that this is 6, which means that this is 6 because there's already 6 in this row, and it can't be here, and it can't be here. Let's see, okay, let's see if we can finish this box. So we need a 2 and a 4. Yeah, I don't think we can finish it yet. How about this row? We need an 8 and a 1. Yeah, this one can't be finished either, I think. Okay, how about this column? We need an 8 and a 4. And actually this box already has 4, so this one has to be 8, which means that this has to be 4. Okay, let's see. And let's see if we can actually finish this column. So 6, 2, 7, 4, 5, 9, 8. So it's missing a 3 and a 1. I don't think we can finish this one yet. Let's see. I don't know. I'm just trying to see where I can finish them. Let's see about this row. So this row needs a 1 and an 8. 1 and 8. Yeah, I don't think this one can be finished either. So it's starting to get a little tough, I think. Okay, how about this row? This one needs a 2 and a 4. Well, there's no 4s here or 2s, so yeah, we can't really tell yet for this one. What else can I finish? Okay, let's try this box maybe. So this box needs a 2, a 4, and an 8. And this one has to be either 2 or 4 because there's already an 8 in this row and an 8 in this column. But besides that, there's not really much info. And this box can either be 2, 4, or 6. This one can either be, this one has to be either 2 or 6 because there's a 4 here. Okay. How about this box? Okay, this one's missing 1, 3, and 8. And this one can't be 1 because there's a 1 here. This one can't be 3 because there's a 3 here. So this one can either be 1 or 8, and this one can either be 3 or 8. And this one can either be 1 or 3 because there's an 8 here. Okay. Let's see. 1 or 3 for this one. And if this one's a 3, this is a 1, and vice versa. I don't know, it's pretty tempting to like press the hint button, but I feel like I made good progress, and I'd feel like I'd be throwing that away if I just try to get a hint. Let's see. What numbers can I use? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uh, Actually, let's see. Um, one. Yeah, I don't know. This one is starting to get a little tricky. Um, it's tempting. Okay, bro, why is this so difficult? I don't get it. I mean, I made pretty good progress at the beginning, but I don't know. Think, think. Okay, this one has to be an 8 because there's an 8 in these columns, which means that the remaining two numbers are 2 and 9. So one of these is 2, another is 9. Let's see. 2, 9. If this one is 2, then this one has to be 2. But if this one's 9, then this one has to be 9. Uh, okay, and if we know that these ones are 2 and 9, then these ones are 1, 3, and 8. Or one of these is 1, one of these is 3, and one of these is 8. But this one can't be 1 or 8 because this column already has 1 and 8, so this one has to be 3. Which leaves us with this one being either 1 or 8. But this one can't be 8 because there's an 8 here. So this is 1. And this is 8. And if this is 8, then this has to be 8. Okay. And if these two are 8, then this has to be 8. And then this has to be 3. Yeah, okay. We're slowly closing in. And let's see if we can finish this column. So one of these has to be 2, and the other has to be 1. And this one is 2 because there's already 1 in this row, which means that this one has to be 1. And we can finish this box with, I think, a 3, and that also finishes this column. Nice. Okay, and let's see, this box needs a 2 and a 4. And again, I don't think we have the necessary information to complete this. Okay, let's see. Okay, this row needs a 4, and a 3. And this one already has a 3, so this one has to be 4. And then this one is 3. And then this one is, I think, 2. Okay. Let's see, so this one is missing 9, 6, 9, 6, and 4. And this one can't be a 9 or a 6 because those are already in this column, so this one has to be a 4. And this one can't be a 4 because there's already a 4 here. But we can't tell anything else from this. Um, Okay, let's see if we can finish this box at least. Actually, I think this is missing 9 and 6. Yeah, I think it looks like I'm stuck again. Actually, no. Okay, so this has to be a 2 because this box doesn't have a 2, but there's a 4 here. So this one can't be 4, which means that this one is 4. And then this one is also 4 because this one can't be 4 and this one can't be 4. And this one is I think a 2. And if this one is 2 and this one, these two can either be 2 or 9, and this one can't be 2, so this one has to be 9. This one has to be 2. And so this one can't be 9, so this one has to be 9. Which means this one has to be 6. And this one is also 6, I think. And we can finish this up now, I think. So this one has to be 1. And this one is 2. So we're missing 4 and 9. And this one can't be 9 because of this. So this one is 4. And this one is 9. And yeah.
The dream was to build a sustainable chocolate company.
And with Chase for Business, it's become way bigger than just chocolate.
Get financial guidance from bankers in your community and convenient digital tools all in one place. Chase for Business. Make more of what's yours.